Hey, are you a small business owner trying to run Facebook ads but you keep seeing that annoying boost unavailable message? Yeah, I know. It's super frustrating, especially when you're just trying to reach more customers fast. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix this in 2025. First, let's talk about why Boost Unavailable pops up in the first place. Usually it's because your post doesn't meet Facebook's ad policies, your page isn't fully set up, or you've got some permissions out of whack. Sometimes it's just Facebook being glitchy. Okay, step 1. Check if your post actually follows the ad guidelines. Click the Learn More link under the error and see if Facebook tells you what's wrong. Maybe your post has too much text, or it touches on restricted topics. If it's a policy problem, tweak your post until it's super clear and safe. Step 2. Make sure your page is set up for business. Go to your page settings and confirm you have a profile picture, cover photo, and all the about details filled out. Facebook loves complete profiles, and missing info can sometimes block boosts. Step 3. Check your role and permissions. Only admins or people with advertiser access can boost posts. If you're not sure, head to Settings, then Page Roles, and double-check your access. If you need to, ask the page owner to adjust your permissions. Step 4. Update your payment method. Sometimes Facebook blocks boosting if your payment info is outdated or there's a billing issue. Go to Billing in your Business Manager and add a valid credit card or payment option. Step 5. Give it a refresh. Log out, clear your browser cache, or try the Facebook app instead of desktop. Sometimes it's just a temporary bug that goes away on its own. If you've tried all that and you're still stuck, hit the Help and Support tab and contact Facebook support directly. They can usually review your page and fix anything you might have missed. Alright, quick recap. Check your post content, complete your page, confirm your permissions, update your payment, and try a quick refresh. 90% of the time, that'll solve the Boost Unavailable headache. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more small business fixes, and let me know in the comments if you've got other Facebook hurdles you want me to cover. Thanks for watching. Now get back out there and grow your business.